All right, fam, we got another no tipper. That's a decline, man. $3 at this time? Come on, man. Take the bus there, bozo. Yo, what's good? It's your boy Driving Addict back at it with another Doordash video. Today we're gonna do another ride along Doordash Friday night, Black Friday late night edition. All right, fam, follow me on my journey. All right, fam, so we got our McDonald's for $4.50. It is 9:56 p.m. That's a decline, fam. That's a no-go. Now let me pause my dash and show you guys something. All right, before we start dashing, let me show you guys my ratings. So my customer rating is at 4.74. I need to get that up. My acceptance rate is 33%, completion rate 99%, on time delivery is 88%, lifetime delivery at 530. And I just want to point this out, your acceptance rate don't matter, only your on time and completion rate. So you cannot get in trouble for a low acceptance rate unless you want to be a top dasher, okay? So for the new dashers out there, it's okay to decline orders. You know, it's okay to decline orders that are less than $1 per mile. It's okay to decline orders that are under $5. All right, fam, let's log back online and let's see if we can get some DoorDash, huh? All right, fam, we got another 475. 3 miles, 3.1 for 475. That's a decline, you know. Decline. Order too small. Order too small. Submit. And I'm currently deactivated with Uber Eats. I already told you guys the reason on my live stream, so we're not gonna cover that. So basically, all I have after 10 p.m. is Grubhub and DoorDash now. Uber deactivated me for some nonsense. We're not gonna talk about it on this video. All right, fam, let's wait a couple of more minutes, huh? All right, another Walgreens. Oh, man. Shopping order for $13. I just declined it earlier, so I'm gonna accept it. I think earlier it was $11. Now they bumped it up to 13, I think. All right, I know it's not the best. It's only 2 items though, fam. All right, fam, let's go dash. All right, this Walgreens is really close to my house, like half a mile away. Walgreens on Ohio 725. This one is open 24/7, fam. That's why I like to dash in this zone, you know, because of this Walgreens. Walgreens on Heineke and Ohio 725. Here we are. All right, fam, let's go inside and get these 2 items. I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so we have 2 items. Kiss Natural Strong Enough. I think that's a snack, I'm not sure. And some Pure Z Kits, Melatonin Sleep A. Interesting 2 items, but whatever they want, we gotta get it for them. That's how we make the money. Let's go inside. All right, fam. So basically, the customer got some acrylic clip-on nails and some sleep aid for children, but they're out of 32 count, and the app doesn't allow me substitution for 48 count or a different brand. So this is all we have for this shopping order. All right, let's get it, fam. All right, we're heading to the first order tonight, fam. Deliver some clip-on nails. All right, so there was a couple of stumbles. The in-app GPS took me to the wrong one, so I had to manually punch in the address on Google Maps, and it took me to the right one. But the lady was being very nice, you know. She's not upset that there was no substitution allowed on the app or something. And, how much the first one again? Okay. All right, so it's $13 total. The tip was $5.50. The ace pay was $7.50. So last one was pretty good, even though the driving distance a little bit far. I think like 8 or 9 miles. All right, fam. Let's so Taco Bell for that much. I don't know. I'm debating. Excuse me. I'll take it. I'll take this one. The reason I'm taking it because I'm kind of like out of the hot zone, you know. It's gonna be like another 2 miles back to the hot zone, so I'm taking that one. It's like 6 miles for $6.50. All right, fam. Let's get it. While en route to the Taco Bell, I just want to say, put in my 2 cents about stuff. Yeah, I drive in a small market, Dayton, Ohio, you know, so a lot of times the delivery take me out of my zone, you know, like to Germantown or to Moraine or to Senya and stuff. So yeah, I think the standard for Dayton, I guess, is $1 per mile, you know. I know a lot of other drivers from the Bay Area and Chicago and stuff, they're like, $1 per mile, that's low. Well, we're in a small market, fam, and the last drop off, I was out of my zone, you know. It was like another 3 miles to get back into a hot zone, so that's why I'm taking it. And I think I'm starting to catch a cold or something, so I don't know if I can finish tonight's shift, you know. All right, fam, follow me on my journey. All right, fam, we're pulling up Taco Bell in West Carrollton.
Turn right, then turn left.
It's looking very long, but you know, we don't have much of a choice at this time, fam. It's either wait or cancel, you know. It's pretty much all drive-through now. So it looks like there's what, I don't know, 6 cars. We got something added to queue, moraine fish and chicken. All right. So I hate when Doordash try to be sneaky and try to add in something like this, you know. That's a decline. $2.75 for an extra 5 miles. I don't know. New Dasher might take it, you know. They think it's good, but not for a veteran Dasher or, you know, somebody that knows what they're doing, you know. For sure, that's a no tip, right? That's a decline. So we got 1, 2, 3, about 7 cars at the Taco Bell in West Carrollton. About 7 cars. Looks like they're moving pretty fast today. A lot of people don't dash after 10 for this reason, you know. But me, I can't wake up early, you know. For some reason, I like to work late night. I'm so used to the Uber, Lyft shift, you know, working to 3, 4 a.m. and stuff. But today we're moving pretty fast, so that's all that matters. So we're currently like 40 minutes in, and we only made $13.50 pending this $6. So if this thing I can get it done in 20 minutes, then it would be something around $20 an hour, which is considered on par, you know. All right, fam, we got another no tipper. That's a decline, man. $3 at this time? Come on, man. Take the bus there, bozo. I'm not even gonna touch it. Wow. Order too small. Order too small, submit. Alright. Maybe I gotta log out and move to drive to Middletown or something. Tonight's pretty trashy so far. Friday night too. All right, fam, the clowns just keep coming, and I'm not talking about McDonald's. These are real clowns. They're not from McDonald's, not Ronald McDonald's. That's a no-go, fam. Yeah, they might tip like $1 or $2, but that's way too far, you know. I'm not saying it's a no tipper. As a dasher, we gotta make money, you know. So that's a decline. All right, we have something that pops up, but I'm driving, so I don't want to pull up my phone. It's 7.5 miles for $6.25. That's a decline. All right, fam, rally 6.7 miles for $7.75. All right, let's get it. All right, fam, so I just ended the dash. I know it says 1 hour 58 minutes, but I kind of took like an extra 5 to 10 minutes to edit my video while on the road and stuff. So it's like an hour 50 minutes for 33.25, so it's only like 17 or 18 an hour. But Earlier today I had some good dash for the dinner rush. Dinner rush, I think I made like 25 per hour from 6 to 8, and then I had an Amazon Flex route, 3 hours for $69, but only took me 2 hours 15 minutes for that earlier with the Amazon Flex route. But yeah, tonight's pretty slow, fam. Only like 18 an hour on a Friday night from like 10 to 12. So tonight's dash was a miss, you know. But it's kind of cold, and all these clown orders keep popping up. So I'm just gonna go home and call it a night, you know. Not feeling it tonight, and I'm a little bit bummed out with the situation with the Uber background check and all that, and my situation with TikTok for being suspended once again. Suspended, not banned. But anyways, thanks everybody for watching this episode of Doordash Ride Along, you know. And if you like my content, please smash the like button, please subscribe, please ring the bell. I'm getting ready for Vlogmas. I think I'm gonna do Vlogmas this year. I'm not sure if I'm gonna push out a video a day or like a video every other day or what, you know. But I'll be ready for Vlogmas, fam. Happy belated Thanksgiving. See you guys in December. Peace, fam. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.
Hide the money, y'all. There's poor people around.
All right, you guys, here's what's happening here. And I manage a restaurant and I drove for Doordash, so trust me, I know what I'm talking about. I figured out their entire thing. This is what they do. They take your order, you pay, and then they send it off to the restaurant to be made. Food only takes about 10 minutes to be made and bagged, for the most part. 15, 20 if they're busy. But it's been 15, 20 minutes and no one's accepted your order because you didn't tip on the app. Guys, this is an app-based service, so tipping in cash on Doordash is, I think you mean well, but it's not a good idea. It takes all the motivation from the drivers to care about your order. Nobody cares. They work for themselves. They maintain all the time. They don't work for Doordash or the restaurant. They work for themselves. So their motivation to bring your food fast is the tip. That being said, the reason we had to remove ourselves from their platform was because we were being blamed for the cold food that wasn't being delivered in a timely manner because people weren't picking it up. Please remember that's completely out of the restaurant's hands.
That's a decline. Bam. Decline. Too small. Submit.